Hi friends, my name is Sudapalli JP Rao. Today I'm going to share with you about various type of credit facilities available for business entities. Now, business entities have different type of capital requirements to meet their long-term expenses and their short-term expenses, typically which are mainly operating expenses. Now, to meet their operating expenses, there are various types of facilities available from banks and non-banking financial corporations. Today, I will share with you about the two main types of facilities called cash credit and overdraft limits that are available and were very common among business entities, be it small enterprises, micro enterprises, medium enterprises, or mid corporates or large corporates. Let's understand some of the unique features and their advantages. Cash credit is also known as CC, is the most common credit facility. Cash credit is sanctioned specifically to meet the working capital requirements of a business entity. Cash credit facility is sanctioned for a period of 12 months. Now, cash credit limits are calculated based on the financial statements. The key components that are taken into consideration are book debts and stock inventory. Now, the primary security for cash credit limit is again book debts and stock inventory. The stocks have to be hypothecated to the bank, and depending upon the financial performance of the business entity, collateral security in the form of land, buildings, factory premises are taken as secondary security. Now, as per the cash credit facility arrangement, stock statement has to be submitted by the business entities availing CC on a monthly basis. The banks will do a periodical verification of the physical stocks vis-a-vis the stock statement that are submitted. Now, as per the volumes of book debts and stock inventory, the drawing power of the CC facility is adjusted. Now, the withdrawals from the CC account will be allowed on the basis of the drawing power determined by the bank based on the book debts and the stocks. However, under any circumstances, the drawings will not be allowed beyond the sanction limit. Now, I'll quickly tell you how the drawing power limit calculation is done. Example, there is a business entity with a stock of around 50 million rupees and they have creditors close to 14 million rupees, and they have got a total debtors of close to 60 million, and they do have some debtors out of the debtors who are above 90 days, around 10 million rupees. Now, for example, the bank has decided that they will keep a margin on the stock of 25%. In that case, the workings on the stock value, the limit the limit that is arrived for the stock based on the stock is stock 50 million minus creditors 14 million. That is your net total will be 36 million with keeping a margin of 9 million for 25% on 36 million. The drawing power will be 27 million. Now, with regard to the calculation of limit based on the debtors value, the debtors are say 60 million and there are debtors which are over and above 90 days to the tune of 10 million. Then those have to be deducted from the total debtors. So that will give you 50 million. And if the bank is keeping a margin of 40% on the debtors on 50 million, so it will be around 20 million. So the balance 30 million will be the drawing power. So in the above illustration, the total limit that will be drawing power will be in the range of 57 million. Now, banks also provide ad hoc limit over and above the initial sanction limit, purely as per the bank's discretion, depending upon the urgent needs and requirements of the business entities. There will be end-use monitoring of limits disbursed under cash credit facility. Now, the cash credit facility will be usually charged a very low rate of interest compared to the overdraft facility or the regular business installment loans that are available in the market. For more details on cash credit eligibility or cash credit calculation, please write to loancaretips@gmail.com, and we will be sharing in the next video about another working capital limit called overdraft facility. For more such videos, please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.